Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Thankfully, after the video yesterday, Bitcoin found a bottom at around the yellow horizontal level at 103.4K. This zone had already acted as a double bottom support on the 31st of May and was also the apex of the bull pennant that formed in the third week of May this year. From here, price is now climbing up in a staircase pattern, taking each past horizontal level as a figurative step. I know there are a lot of lines on my chart, but each of them has proven extremely useful. As we now start climbing back toward the purple horizontal line at 112K, after passing the dotted yellow level at 104.3K, Bitcoin got briefly rejected on the 1-hour chart at the next red horizontal at 104.9K. It then bounced back down to the checkpoint at 104.3K, only to quickly reclaim and break above the red line at 104.9K. We are currently experiencing some turbulence around previous resistance levels at 105.3K and 105.5K, but from here the next stop is already in sight, the yellow horizontal at 106.4K. Right before that level starts a short liquidation leverage box, which spans from 106.2K all the way to 111.7K. This box could act like a vacuum, pulling the price rapidly up into the higher regions between 107 and 109K. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, the upside potential is clearly visible. The hottest liquidation levels sit at 106.5K, 108.4K, 109.2K, and finally at 111.3K. Zooming into the 1-day liquidation heat map, we can see that many high-leveraged long traders entered late during the recovery. That created a hot pocket between 103.9 and 103.2K. These zones are always dangerous, as they often attract what I like to call Darth Maul candles, sudden price wicks clearing both sides in one sweep. This is especially possible going into the weekend, when volume typically drops significantly. Personally, I find it unlikely that we drop into that lower region again, but anything can happen short term. So I would not recommend opening over-leveraged trades with liquidation levels around that zone. As a quick reminder, this month of June is still green so far, up 0.9% from May. If we mirror bull years like 2017 or 2021, we could be looking at a historical average gain of plus 18%. That would take us to 125K by the end of June, if history were to repeat. Considering the past 14 days, that may sound ludicrous, but it is not impossible. On the Bitcoin ETF side, this week's inflows were all green. Thursday closed with plus 86.3 million in total, led by a massive plus 288.3 million from BlackRock. Friday added another 62.7 million, led by Fidelity. And that's with BlackRock's Friday numbers still missing. That could mean total inflows close well over 100 million again. With that kind of institutional interest, how can anyone still be bearish here? Let's keep watching the price recover together and head toward new all-time highs soon. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.